So, girls, you people ask me to record this lecture, like how to develop a subnetting network in Cisco Packet Tracer. First, I need to give the same example which I have explained in the lecture. So, see here how we are developing a subnetting network using the following credentials. What are the credentials I have given? That is a C class address I have given here, 192.168.1.0/27 yani mask, right? So subnet mask. So here, so in default class C, this is a class C address. So in a default class C address, we are having 24 ones, right? 24 ones. So here mask I have given 27. So 3 more ones you have to merge in the network ID. So this will be the total the subnet mask for the new network what you're going to create. So the subnet mask for the new network will be 255.255.255.224. okay, now here see, and these are all the so totally when you are using 27 mask/27 mask, that means you can divide the network into 8 sections, yani 8 subnets you can divide the network into. So here the 8 subnets we have divided. So I just want to give a brief introduction about this one. So I have shown that. Okay, now go for a Cisco Packet Tracer. We will develop the same subnet here. So what we are going to develop, so first take the router. So go for the generic router and click over here, drag to the working area. Again, one more generic router I want. So one more generic router I have created. Then I need a switch just for connection. So 2960 is a switch we are using from long before, so we will use the same thing switch over here. This is a generic switch we can say. So 2 switches we are here, fine. Then go for the end devices. So go for the PC, one PC, drag here, and I need one more PC, so drag to here, right? So this is the network which we are going to develop today. Fine. Sorry. Now going for the connections. Go for the connections. So go for the straight through cable. Select here. Then fast Ethernet to the switch 0 1, right? Then again straight through cable from switch. So 0 1 is already allotted, so 0 2, then straight go through the gateway, that is fast Ethernet 0 0. Next I am going to connect the 2 routers. So I'm selecting the serial DCE connection. So go here. Then when you're using serial DCE, remember you have to select the serial port. So serial port 202. Here also the same port you have to use, that is serial 20. Good. Then again go for the straight through cable as usual from switch to fast Ethernet. This is a new switch again. So 01 is a port we are using, and here again the router 00. Good. Then again go for the straight through cable. We will connect the PC fast Ethernet to a switch. So 01 is already there, allotted. So 02 we are going to click OK. So connections are finished. Now you have to configure the network. Clear? Have to configure the network. So configuration, what we need to do, go to PC, okay, then go for desktop, go for IP configuration. See here, I will open this one again. See, these are the networks which we have divided in the network into 8 subnets. So we are going to prepare three networks, yani 32 network, 64 network and 96 network. So we will go for 32 network. When we are trying to go for 32 network, 32 will be the network ID and 63 will be the broadcast ID. So those two addresses will not be assigned to any of the hosts which are available in that subnet, as we discussed before. So our PC address will be start from 34. Yani 32 is a network ID, fine. 63 is a broadcast ID. So what about 33? 33 will be the router address, okay, gateway address. So host actually starts from 34. Go to again Cisco packet tracer, okay. In that, the configuration IP address, what you need to give here, 192.168.1.34, right? Go for the subnet mask. So prepared subnet mask, yani new subnet mask is 224, right? And gateway, yani I will show you. So gateway address you have to give here. So gateway is this one. This port is the gateway for this PC. So I'm going to configure this PC. So in the gateway, any default gateway address that you have to give this port address. That port address is, as I discussed before, that is 33. Yani 192.168.1.33. Good. So configuration for the PC is finished. So close. Fine. See here the green lights are there. So we are not going to configure any switch. Why? Because that is only the connection between connecting device between any two devices. Fine. Here go for the router, okay. See here, before going for configuration, just I will show you. When you mouse over here, here that is F00 and here F02, right? That is a fast Ethernet 02 port and fast Ethernet 00 port. Yani 00 port you have to give the configuration. Configure the fast, see here, fast Ethernet 00, and this is one port of the router and this is one more port of the router. See, this port also you have to configure. Yani one router, two configurations must come. So click on the router. So 0 0 we need to configure first. Go for config. See here, 0 0 0 1 is there. We need to select 0 0. Why? Because we have used that. And when you're going for 0 0, that will be 192.168.1.33. fine. Next, subnet mask that you have to change here, like that is a default subnet mask. You have created subnet mask is 224. Fine, switch is on, okay. Fine, that is for this one. See here, see my mouse pointer, fast Ethernet 00 I have configured. Now for the same router, go for serial 20, and here serial 20 DCE connection we have selected. So okay, fine. First let me give the IP address. That will be 192.168.1.65, right? Then go for the default subnet mask. See here, it automatically take and it must be on. This is a serial DC connections. The clock rate you have to set. You can select anything there. If you are selecting 800,000, that means 800,000 bits per second that router can transfer from one network to the other network. The meaning is, okay. So I will select for 250,000. Fine. So it is on. Fine. Just cut it. Then see here, the green lights are appear here. Fine. So now I need to configure. See here also I configured, but it is not in a green because I have to configure this router. Again, go for this router. Wait, sorry. Okay, then go for configure. Okay, fast Ethernet 00. Fast Ethernet 00. Then here 192.168.1.66 I will give. Then subnet mask is 224. so belongs to the same subnet. Okay, then again go for serial 20, serial 20, wait, so 00 will be 97 dear here, 97. Okay, same. Now go for serial 20 will be 66, 192.168.1.66. so default mask it automatically take. Here there is no clock, just on. Very good, just cut. See here, no green lights are there. Finally configure the PC. When configure the PC, again go for the desktop, IP configuration, then IP address of the PC 192.168.1.98. then mask will be, I have to change like 2 to 4. Again default gateway. See here, I'm configuring this PC now. Okay, default gateway for this PC will be this port, so you have to give this port address. So what is that port address? That is a 97. So you have to give 192.168.1.97, right? Fine, finish. Configuring everything is finished. Now we'll go for ping. Go for PC command prompt, fine. So ping 192.168.1.33 yani router. Yes, we are getting a reply, right? We are getting a reply. Good. Now I'll go to connect with 65. So go for 65. Yes, I can ping here also. Fine. I want to go for 66. So I told you 66. I cannot ping. See here, the request timeout will come. Yani you cannot ping to that network. Yani that is a completely different network for that router. So that's a new thing which we discussed in the lecture. That is what you need to do here. See here, from this PC I can connect here, I can connect to here, but I cannot connect it to here. So there is a problem in this router. So click on that router. You have to go for routing and routing. So click on routing, go for static routing. Okay, here see here you need to give which network you want to connect, that network address. What is the network address, dear? 192.168.1.32. network name is 32. So mask will be 255.255.255. so 2 to 4 as usual. And the next hop, see here, hop means I want to connect this router, right? Next hop is next address, yani this address you have to give. What is that address? That is 192.168.1.65, right? So just see here, this is empty area over here. If I will add, so see here, so mask 27, everything will become. Next again one more setting you have to do. Go for here settings, go for here settings, just save all those things what we have given. Finish. Now here go for the PC, go for the PC, then I no, command prompt, and now 66. So see here 66, enter. Yes, I'm getting a reply. You understand now?